Once upon a time in a village at the foot of some not very colorful hills lived a very colorful rabbit. The rabbit was an artist, and he was very proud of his art. He painted beautiful pictures on stones and sticks and anything else he could get his paws on. But the one thing he wanted to paint more than anything else was the hills.
Yeah.
He wanted to paint them with all the colors of the rainbow. Now, normally, when animals want to paint something, they just take a little paint and a paintbrush and paint it. But the rabbit wasn't like other animals. He wanted to do things a different way. So instead of taking paint and a paintbrush, he went to the hills and he started to dig. He dug and dug until he got down to the very center of the hills. And in the middle of the hills, he found a big, juicy carrot. And the rabbit thought, well, this carrot is orange, so I can use it to paint the hills orange. So he took the carrot and he started to munch on it. But after he munched on it for a while, he realized that carrots aren't really good for painting hills. So he spit out the carrot and went back up to the top of the hill. And then he saw a beautiful bright yellow flower and he thought, well, this flower is yellow, so I can use it to paint the hills yellow. So he picked the flower and started to munch on it. But after he munched on it for a while, he realized that flowers aren't really good for painting hills. So he spit out the flower and went back up to the top of the hill. This happened over and over again with many different colors until the rabbit had painted all the hills all the colors of the rainbow. When the rabbit finished his painting, he was very proud of himself. He hopped up and down and shouted, "I am the greatest artist in the world. I have painted the hills with all the colors of the rainbow." Now, when the animals in the village saw the hills, they were very angry at the rabbit. They said, "Why did you paint the hills? Now we can't live there anymore. All the plants and trees have disappeared. It's just rocks and dirt now." The rabbit felt terrible. He hadn't realized that eating the plants would destroy the hills. He thought he was being clever by painting the hills with all the colors of the rainbow, but he had actually destroyed them. So the rabbit ran away from the village and from the hills, and he never painted anything again.